The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 has called on hoodlums to stop invading medical warehouses as the medicines there are stored under specific conditions. Speaking at the daily briefing of the PTF in Abuja, its coordinator, Dr. Sani Aliyu, explained that vaccines and medicals used to fight the coronavirus pandemic were stored in warehouses across the country and urged the hoodlums to stop removing them. Aliyu explained that some of the food items looted from warehouses across the country were donations from private individuals under the umbrella of Coalition Against COVID-19, (CACOVID). He noted that the group gathered their funds to support the Nigerian government in the fight against COVID-19 outbreak in the country.
Some of our warehouses do not contain food items. They contain medical equipment, they contain test kits, they contain valuable items that are really extremely important when it comes to the COVID response. And therefore, we are pleading with all those that are currently in the process of planning, etc., to desist from doing so. It's important that our assets are protected. It's important that what the country has bought for the purpose of the COVID pandemic and what our donors have provided are used for the purposes that they are meant to. And this purpose does not include looting of the items. The sheer scale of the food program by CACOVID meant that the program had to be delivered in a staggered and controlled manner. CACOVID worked with the states through the Nigeria Governors Forum to determine the number of households that will have these reliefs, to enable states and the FCT to provide clean and secure warehousing for the food. Only the Lagos warehouse is private property. The rest of the warehouses used have been state warehouses. It also included the adoption of CACOVID guidelines on how the food will be delivered, which involved state and local government committees, chairpersons, religious organizations, etc., to ensure equitable distribution of the food among the needy. We do understand, of course, the underlying issues, but we continue to ask and we continue to plead with the general public to exercise restraint and allow this process to conclude. At the PTF, we will remain focused in dealing with the pandemic. This is our mandate, and we will not be distracted. And we plead with the public to please continue to work with us, as well as our private sector partners and the state governments, so that we can get on top of what is clearly a major issue, not only nationally, but globally, and that continues to challenge governments across the world.